Welcome to another non-JJ Cooks vlogs. So here is what I ate in a week. This was my first time trying galbi jim and it was fire. The portion was so big that I even had it for breakfast as a fried rice in the morning. We also went over to my husband's client and the food was really good. So this dish is actually one of the staples in Indonesian cuisine. It's called rendang and it's made from braised beef in really yummy sauce. This Indonesian style fish and chips was so delicious. And yes, I did indulge a few times this week, as you can see. Korean barbecue is like one of my favorite foods right now. As you can see, it came with a lot of different banchans and also a lot of veggies to balance out the meat. Vandaag gaan wij lekker eten. En eet smakelijk! And as always, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, share this video, and hit the notification bell for more. Bye!